Well, today I just thought it'd be fun to show you how we celebrate birthdays at our house. We have 4 kids ages 4 through 9, so we have birthdays fairly frequently, especially when you add in other family members. So we try to keep it pretty simple. And so Gage and I are gonna run into the dollar store. And so basically it's just gonna be with family. Our little guy is turning 6 and he is in kindergarten, but he hasn't been invited to any friend birthday parties yet, so he doesn't really have that expectation that he would have a friend party, unlike our girls who they get invited to friend parties, so then we do have a friend party for them. So we get to keep it still really simple by just having a family party. And so Gage and I are gonna go run in and grab a few things right now. Gage, look over here. Ooh, Gage, look, there's Spider-Man napkins.
Yeah, we get those.
Do you think Corbin would like those?
Yeah.
Will you hold it?
Yeah.
And then, I wonder if there's any plates that match. Oh, bummer, we might just have to get...
We should get straws. Spider-Man ones.
Spider-Man straws?
Yeah.
Let's see, maybe, how about like a banner to put up, a happy birthday banner?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you see the big red plates? Over here?
Yeah.
Get those?
Yeah.
Okay. Then we'll pick out a balloon. Alright, so we just got back out of the dollar store. We just got some paper plates and napkins and a birthday banner, and then I wanted to get some superheroes for his birthday cake because he said he wanted a superhero birthday cake, but they didn't have a ton today, so I just got one little spider guy and a Batman, so we'll have to do the rest of the decoration with frosting. But another question that comes up is if we get our kids birthday gifts or not, and as of right now we don't get them birthday gifts because they get gifts from our family members. And so right now we tell them that our birthday party to them is their gift from us, and so they get to pick the menu within reason, and then, you know, they get to pick the theme. We got a balloon as well. And so there's been time with our older kids where it's come up, you know, that their friends might get birthday gifts from their family and stuff, and so we just explain to them the difference, but they get a lot of gifts on their birthdays still, so it really hasn't been a big deal. So it might evolve or change as they get older, but for now, that's how we do it. Oh, and I also got a set of thank you notes. We try to be really diligent about sending out thank you notes after Christmas and birthdays and anytime they get anything, and so I don't know where you get thank you notes, but I think the dollar store is definitely the cheapest place. But as far as the groceries for the party, I'm just going to order all that through Instacart, so that'll come Saturday afternoon, so I'll have all of that and I don't have to go to the store. And I feel like I'm more organized when I'm making an order online. Like, I have my list and I make sure that I get everything that we need, and so I'm looking forward to just having that delivered and not having to go out grocery shopping for the food that we're going to eat at the party. All right, well, today is the day of the party, but probably one of my favorite things since we've simplified our house is that I don't have to start getting ready for a party like the week before or 4 days before like I used to. And so it's so simple to clean our house now and pick it up. And in fact, Tom and I got distracted working on our bedroom yesterday. We put a new carpet and painted and all that, and normally if I didn't have the full day before to get ready for a party, that was like, there was no way we'd be ready today for a party. But I mean, it's literally like a couple hours before and I still haven't actually turned my attention to the rest of the house. But I know now that it'll come together pretty easily and I'm just not really worried about it, and that is so nice because it's just so much less stressful to entertain now. Corbin helped me decorate for the party. So that's kind of been a tradition that we've started at our house now, is that the birthday child gets to decorate. So he wanted some Spider-Man stuff. I showed you the stuff I got at the dollar store and the balloons, so a couple of dollars, and I put on my red tablecloth and it feels party ready. And then the other thing that we've started doing is Tom used to take the kids to go to the bakery to pick out a cake and they could pick out what they wanted on top of it. But then one year our oldest wanted to decorate her cake herself, and so I made the cake and then she got to decorate it, and since then that's been what all of the kids wanted to do. So Corbin, like I said, he wanted some superheroes and he had me put extra frosting in the middle so that he could put the bad guy down in there. So Batman is clearly winning. And I've shared before, I've perfected this bundt cake recipe, and so I'll put a link to that down below. I'm sorry, I know a lot of people have said that they've decluttered their bundt cake pans and so you don't have it anymore, but the one I have was under $10 on Amazon, and I've probably made like 50 bundt cakes in it, and it looks brand new. So I highly recommend that, so I'll put a link for that down below as well. But as far as the menu for our birthday parties, then basically the kids can choose from 3 different options. We'll either have tacos and then I'll make beef tacos or chicken tacos, or chili and I'll make beef chili or chicken chili, or sloppy joes, and so they can choose whatever they want the main course to be. And so the reason I've selected those pairs of foods is because I can make them ahead of time if I have extra time in the week or have at least the meat ready for them. And they keep really well. They also stay warm really well, so if I put them in crock pots or just on low on the stove, they stay heated nicely. But they're just easy. I can make these recipes in my sleep. I've made them all a bunch of times. So when I'm getting ready for a party, it doesn't matter if more people come or less people come, because they're foods that are just easy to make a bunch of and fairly inexpensive as well. So we try to keep our birthday parties pretty low budget around here, and as you can tell with the decorations, and you know, this is just a family party, so we won't have favor bags or anything like that. And so we just keep them simple, but the kids don't mind. They love it. They've been excited all weekend for everyone to come over and to decorate and all of that, and so they don't care, right? So I'm looking forward to having everyone over this afternoon. We're like getting tons of snow right now, so hopefully that's not a problem. Tom's gonna have to go out and plow the driveway probably again. He's already plowed it twice because the wind is blowing so hard, but that's Minnesota in February. So anyways, that's how we keep birthday parties simple and cost effective, but still celebrate our kids really well. So I would love to know what your tips are for having inexpensive parties, or how you celebrate at your house, how you make your kids feel special on their birthdays, and any other tips you have for entertaining on a budget. As always, thank you for watching. The best compliment you can give us is a thumbs up, and we will look forward to visiting with you again really soon.
Happy birthday!